No, you're gonna be the road dog when we go shopping. Because everybody else ain't hanging with us. Good morning, my sweet lovelies. I am not sure what day in the vlog this is, but today is January 20th. Today's January 20th. And I just got out the shower. I tried the Curie soap bar this morning, and I mean, so far so good. It does lather very well, a whole lot. Like, you don't have to do much, and it's going to continue to lather, it seems like. And it also states that it's safe for the face, like gentle enough for the face, it's vegan, all of that good stuff. But I'll put the name, but I can't think. But my exfoliating body wash, I use that. And then, like, I got a process when I go in the shower. Like, it's probably about 3 full body washes that goes on from head to toe or whatnot. But yeah, I use the Curie, I use the exfoliating body wash, and then for the fragrance, I use the Caramel Indulgence. That smells amazing. When I tell you, I think I'm gonna go back and get the spray as well. I have the scrub and the body wash now. I need the spray because that's one of my favorites from that line. Because sometimes the stuff can, show that it's a cheaper product or a more affordable product. Sometimes it will lack a little bit on the scents, but that smells so good, like scent. But now I'm about to make myself a little bit of potatoes, onions, and bell peppers right now for my little breakfast. I was going to toss an egg in there too. I don't know, but I just really want to sleep, but I can't. Before they actually start to brown up. Is the final product, my little breakfast. What's up, my sweet lovelies? Welcome to another day in the vlog. Not sure what day it is or how it's gonna go, but we have a winter storm warning, watch, whatever you want to call it, coming this weekend, and I actually have a delivery in Mobile. So what I'm going to do is my stepdad is actually going to meet me halfway, and he's going to deliver it for me, so that way I don't have to drive all the way to Mobile in this potentially bad icy weather, because they're forecasting black ice, freezing rain, sleet, possibly snow if it dips down lower. And it got really bad. They're saying it's supposed to be worse than it was in 2021 when it got extremely bad in Texas. So prayers to everyone out that way. See, I'm outside right now with no jacket on right now. Get everybody and mama out here. They think it's gonna ice over in Mississippi, and Lacey don't want to be on camera. Where we heading to now? Hobby Lobby. Hobby Lobby! Forgot that quick. Move that jack. And that. Alright, y'all. Kind of swinging here, but we are heading to Hobby Lobby now. did.
You saw me?
No, I did not. Do it again. But really though, I'm redoing my kitchen window area, and I want some greenery. I don't want too much color, but I really like that. But yeah, we came for ribbon and candy melts. Okay, we are finally headed home. We have been out for hours, literally hours. I know y'all can't see me right now, but we're gonna get home and get everything out of the car, and then I'll get back to y'all as soon as I get ready to start on the tree order. Good morning, my sweet lovelies. So it is, what's today? The 26th, January 26th, Monday morning. Kids were out of school today. It is extremely cold. They canceled school for the potential, you know, safe roads, conditions, and all of that. But it feels like, I don't know if you can see my breath. But anyways, it's extremely cold, and we're going to get ready to run orders. I'm going to come out here and warm the car up. So, my neighbor's dog. No, I don't know this dog. I'm so tired of random dogs around here. Y'all do not even know the half of it. I know y'all can see it now. But anyways, I have on multiple layers. Multiple layers. But I'm going to let the car warm up, and I'm going to chill in here for a minute. Turn this down a little. Don't want to go down. Okay, it says it's 28 degrees. I know it probably feels like 16, 17 outside. Wind blowing, but change of plans today. We are actually going to ride. We're going to ride with Bay today. For work. So it's a short day of work, just moving equipment. So I get to be passenger princess today because normally I do all the driving because he drives all day, I drive all day, and we swap it out here and there. But most of the time I'm driving because everybody else likes to get them a nice rest in while I'm driving. But I can be passenger princess in the truck. But I think I can handle it if it's an automatic stick shift. No, not me. Definitely not my cup of tea. I tried, it didn't work out. We're gonna chill with him. I really wish I had a coffee to go. I'm about out of this one. These cute little cups, y'all, I got at Dollar Tree, and they came in like a 4 or 5 pack, and I didn't put my little sleeve on. Like, they came with the sleeve as well in the sets. I thought that was really nice and cute that I could get that from Dollar Tree, and I really like this one. They had another design, but I really like this one, and it came with the top cup and the cardboard sleeve to go over it, and their little flip tops. Can't do it with these gloves on, but you can see it, that little piece right there will pop out and close if you needed to. But yeah, so I'm gonna finish this little bit of coffee and then we're gonna hit the road and head to the woods. Yay! But yeah, but anyways, I was standing outside and it was so cold that this part of my face, when I went back in the house, I felt it like it was stinging, almost burning. And so I'm gonna make sure I got my Holy Harrison somewhere. Here it is. We got creme brulee glimmer. I know it's backwards, y'all, but we got that. So apparently it is so cold out, one of the trucks is not going in drive or reverse at the moment. So they're gonna swap it out with another one. Hopefully we make it there, no issue, safely, and make it back safely.
Is that meet him at the split? All right. Let's see this spot right here, all right. And when we get way up in there, when we get. There's my truck back there.
Yep, you get that truck. You be taking that motherfucker down. Do that.
Yeah, you do.
Alright, so we have made it back off in here in the woods and then bringing it up to the split, the first floater. So, to where it's like we were kind of sliding coming through here just to.
Oh, that means right there on the skin.
So the car is literally frozen this morning. Good morning, my sweet lovelies. Today is January 27th, I believe. And we are going to go ahead and close this vlog out. This is going to be my new little spot right here to talk to you guys because I just love the angle right here. I just love it. All right. So I have my coffee this morning. I just brewed some hot water over an instant. Hold on. Make sure, but I just brewed hot water over an instant pack of Folgers, added some caramel macchiato cold foam, topped it with a little bit of salted caramel by McCormick on there. I grab each one of them now when they come out with those during the holiday season, usually around Thanksgiving at Walmart. I have the salted caramel, the English toffee, like all of that, the peppermint one. I grab them all. But yeah, we're going to enjoy this coffee. I'm going to sit down and finish doing some editing. I am probably posting the vlog before this at this time right now. But it is freezing outside. It is actually, yes, that cold outside in Hattiesburg, Mississippi right now. And I am going to go chill in the bed under the cover and finish editing and watching some YouTube, catching up on some of the vlogs that I enjoy watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. This was a very unexpected day with Bay at work and everything else that has happened in this vlog. So I'm not sure what's all in it. I hope you guys continue to subscribe. Please like, comment, engage with me. Let me know where you're watching from. What you would like to see as far as baking or anything. But we do have a Valentine's Day order coming up soon. It's actually a pre-Valentine's Day Would You Be My Valentine order that someone just, ordered. And I love when I just see orders just pop up randomly, So I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. You really are supporting a dream when you do. And if you all vlog, post yours down below. I mean, I don't mind. Get it how you live, We all got to help each other. And especially in this day and time. It's all about community. We're building a community. Y'all are my sweet lovelies. I really appreciate y'all, okay? Thank y'all so much.